Friends, now let us move on to the next question, wherein three statements are given and they are being coded in a specific coded language. Let us see how it is being done. We can see that these codes contain a lot of alpha and some numbers. Let us first concentrate on the numbers. The numbers are 16, 25, 25 and 18. And let us see how the words finish. In that too, we have two y's which corresponds to 25, which is the positional value of y. There is an easy way to remember the positional values. E Jyoti, wherein E represents the 5th position, J is in the 10th position, O in the 15th, T in the 20th and Y in the 25th position. This mnemonic helps us to remember the positional values of alphas easily. Now let us consider each word and try to decode them. Enjoy ends with Y, and so the last code is 25, the positional value of Y. And we see that two codes are ending with 25. Of them, only FOKP25 is having the same number of letters as in enjoy. So we can guess that to be the code for enjoy, and the pattern in which it is being done is after E, the next alpha F is written in capitals. After N, O, and then after J it is K, after O it is P, and Y is given the positional value. Let us consider one more word. The last letter is R, and what can be the positional value of R? We can find from the mnemonic E Jyoti. We know O is 15 and R is 18. So R is coded as 18, Y, the next alpha is Z, O, U. O becomes P, U becomes V. Let us consider trip. P, the alpha positional values for P is, when O is 15, P is going to be 16. It will be 16 here. After T, U. After R, S. After I, J. Quite a big word, immensely. Y is 25. After I, J. After M, it is N, and then E becomes F, N becomes O, S becomes T, E becomes F, and L becomes M, and thus we have the code for immensely. Like this, the other sentences are also coded. Now, let us go to the question. We have to find what is the code for wish you a happy journey. Let us concentrate on the positional values of the last letters in every word. Here too we have two words ending with Y, and so we have to have 25, two 25s in our code. The positional value of U is U is 21, and the positional value of H is 8. So our code should contain 8, 21, 25 and 25. Let us check the options. In the first option A, we have three numbers together, 25, 20 and 21, which is not going to be the right choice. So we can eliminate that choice. Option B has 25, 8, 21 and 25. Let us have B as one of the choices. And C has 26, so option C is eliminated. D is also having 8, 21, 25 and 25. After considering these two choices, and if it is not going to be okay, then we will go for the fifth option, none of these. Let us decode one of the words. Say for example, wish. All the alphas are being converted to the next letter. W becomes X, I becomes J and S becomes T. We have to have 8 linked with X, J, T, wherein we find in option D 8 is linked with some other alphas instead of X, J, T. So D may not be the right option. Let us anyway decode the other words. Should be linked with Z and P. It is there in our option B. First 25 is linked with IBQQ, and the next 25 is linked with KPV SOF. Journey is coded as KPV SOF 25, which is also present in our option B. So option B can be the right choice. Let us see our answer slide. Yes, it is option B. Let us see the working. Yes, it is as per our explanation. And now let us move on to the next question.